Hello guys, welcome to my channel. 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of sugar. You just mix. 2.5 cup of coconut milk. Just mix slowly. Then 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Continue mixing. Just strain to avoid lumps. I divide the butter into 3 colors: purple, green, and the white. And grease the molder with oil. And then you have to put the first layer and steam for about 5 minutes. And this is the result for after 5 minutes. And then we have to put the second layer, which is the white. And steam also this one for 5 minutes. And then we follow the purple. This is for the last one, and this is steam for 8 minutes. And this is done. And now we have to make the toppings. And this is desiccated coconut. Just toast this one until it changes the color into golden brown. And this is the perfect color. Set aside before mixing with white sugar. Just sprinkle on the top. You can also use grated cheese as toppings. This is very yummy and easy to make. And this is perfect for holidays, for dessert. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. Just watch out for another video on how I make this one. Thank you.